Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and Fenix 7 Pro. If you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast, you know that the Garmin Fenix series has been the top choice for tracking performance. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or climbing mountains, the Fenix series has always delivered. Now, the Fenix 8 Pro is on the horizon, promising to take this legacy even further with amazing new features and improvements. The competition in the wearable tech market is fierce, and Garmin is ready to rise to the challenge with the Fenix 8 Pro. While we're waiting for official details on its design and features, we can make some educated guesses. Expect various case sizes, new material combinations, and maybe even a slimmer design that keeps the legendary battery life we all love. One exciting possibility is that Garmin might move from the trusted MIP screens to vibrant AMOLED displays. Given that the Epix line already uses AMOLED, it wouldn't be surprising if the Fenix series followed suit. The Fenix 8 Pro will likely keep all the features we love from the Fenix 7 series, like offline maps, sleep and stress tracking, the Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor, and impressive battery life. Garmin has been fine-tuning GPS accuracy and battery efficiency, focusing on better antenna placement and the SAT-IQ algorithm. We can expect these improvements to be even more refined in the Fenix 8 series. Health monitoring could see a big upgrade with the Fenix 8 Pro. Imagine a watch that not only tracks your workouts but also monitors crucial health metrics like blood pressure, glucose levels, and hydration directly from your wrist. For fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals, this could be a game-changer, providing comprehensive insights into how your body responds to different activities. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we can anticipate the Fenix 8 Pro offering a suite of personalized features. Think adaptive training plans that adjust based on your performance, voice assistance for hands-free operation, and predictive health metrics that warn of potential issues before they arise, thanks to continuous data monitoring. Now, let's talk about smartwatch capabilities. While the Fenix series has always been geared towards fitness tracking, there's a growing demand for enhanced smartwatch features. Garmin could take a page from competitors like the Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch by integrating a microphone for voice control, smart assistant functionality, and better third-party app support. These additions could make the Fenix series a more versatile tool for everyday use. In our tests, the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Solar earned the title of Best Overall Outdoor Watch for its ability to keep up with any activity. Men's health editors praised its robust tech, noting that it provides all the basic stats like heart rate, distance, calories, and a GPS map, along with more interesting stats like cadence, stride length, fastest mile, ground contact time, and time spent in each heart rate zone. With 11 sports modes and daily workout options, the Fenix 7 can monitor your recovery and give you sleep metrics. Compared to other Garmin models, the Fenix 7 Pro Solar stands out with a battery capable of lasting a whopping 57 hours in full GPS mode, perfect for multi-day backpacking trips, ultramarathons, or long bike rides. Technically speaking, Garmin has announced two core product series, the Fenix 7 series and the Epix series. The Epix Gen 2 is essentially an AMOLED display version of the Fenix 7, but with still very respectable battery life. This review focuses on the Fenix 7 series, including the 7S, 7, and 7X models, each offering new features like workout stamina tracking and free downloadable topo-active maps. The 7X even includes a flashlight that flashes white and red as you run, matching your cadence, which is more advanced than it sounds. As for pricing and launch details, those are still under wraps. However, industry insiders suggest that the Fenix 8 Pro could start at around $700, with premium models potentially fetching up to $1,000. Keep an eye out for a possible release in late 2024 or early 2025. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and compared it with the Fenix 7 Pro. It's clear that Garmin is pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do, from advanced health monitoring and AI-driven features to enhanced smartwatch capabilities. We hope you're as excited as we are about the potential of the Fenix 8 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more updates on the latest in wearable tech. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which features you're most excited about, or if you have any predictions for the Fenix 8 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.